What's going on, guys? This is me, Mehdi Shakil, and you are watching SSTec tutorials. So guys, in my hand I have my external portable SSD drive, and I had lots of important photos and data in this SSD drive. But recently I accidentally deleted all of them from this drive. Then I found out a free recovery application named 4DD from Tenorshare. And using this free recovery application, you can easily recover all of your deleted files and data from any external SSD drive or hard drive. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can use that free recovery application to recover all of your accidentally deleted data. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so guys, right now you can see my computer screen. Now, first of all, what you need to do, you have to download the free data recovery application. To download that application, open up any of your browser. Then from this video description, you will find a bit.ly short link. Copy that link and navigate to that link. And it is going to redirect you to the official website of 4dtenorshare.com. And from here, you can easily download the free data recovery application. To download the application, click on free download, and it should start downloading the application. While it's downloading, let's check their pro versions. If you want to buy the pro version of their application, go to upgrade to pro, and here you can see all their premium option. You can purchase the monthly license, yearly license, or the lifetime license. The Tenorshare company already provided me a license key to test their application, so I'm gonna use that license key whatever they provide me. So downloading get completed. Now go to downloads folder, and here you can see the installer. Now double click on it to install that application on your computer. Here you can see, now from here you have to select the language, then click on OK. Then accept the license agreement and next, and it should start installing the application on your Windows computer. Now click on finish, and it's going to automatically launch the Tenorshare 4DD application. So guys, here you can see the application. Now this is my external drive and this is completely blank. If I open my file explorer, then go to this PC, and here is the drive, my external SSD. And here you can see, guys, it's completely blank. Now I'm gonna use this Tenorshare 4DD recovery application to recover all the data from this SSD drive. Now from here, I'm going to click on this external drive. Now from this page, you can select which type of file you want to recover. I'm gonna click on photo, video, documents, audio, and others. I don't want to recover the system file. Then click on scan selected file types. And it should start scanning that external SSD drive, and it will try to recover all the deleted files, whatever we used to have on that SSD drive. So it's gonna take some time, so you have to wait until all the files get recovered. And while it's scanning our SSD drive, let's activate our application. For this, I'm going to click on this icon. Then here I need to type my email address, and here I need to put my license key. Then click on register. And guys, here you can see registration is successful. Okay, so guys, here you can see it already detected couple of files. And while it's scanning, if I go to type, you can see we have different type of file recovered from this SSD drive. Here you can see we have these photos, videos, and documents. Now let's try to recover some of the files. If I go to photos, then JPG, and here you can see it recovered all of this file from our external SSD drive, whatever we accidentally deleted. Now let's try to recover some of the photos from here. So let's say I'm gonna select this one, and this one. I'm going to recover these three photos. So now after selecting them, click on recover. Then you have to select a path where you want to save them. I'm going to click on desktop. Then I'm going to click on save now. Then here I'm going to click on repair and recover. Now it's going to take some time to repair all of these photos to the high resolution and recover them and save it on our desktop. Here you can see we have all files folder. If I open that folder, then go to photo, then JPG, and here you can see we have recovered these three photos, and the resolution is very good. It's completely original. So guys, like this, using this application, you can recover all of your accidentally deleted files, photos, image, videos or any other document very easily. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you're watching SSTec tutorial, and I'm signing off.